Planning to make a purchase? OneMoreView.com is here to help you make the best choice. Our expert reviews will help you choose the right product.
One More Review presents the best clip-on veneers. Let's get started with the top 10 clip-on veneers. Number 1. Billy Bob Instant Smile Teeth Upper Veneer Small. It is 15% lower than the medium size. It needs a few minutes. You need to use it with hot water. This product is not a partial denture. You can use it for a temporary basis to achieve a bright smile. Make sure to remove it before going to bed. It is easy to use. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you can attach this temporary veneer. Variety of sizes available. Correct size can make your smile more enhanced. Dental Companeer Thin Whitening Resin Veneer. It is a thin veneer. For those who have a gap between teeth, it's a fantastic option for them. This thin veneer will make your smile more beautiful. You will get a pack of 100 pieces. It can be placed easily, convenient to use. Number 3. Imaco Cosmetic Upper Teeth Temporary Smile Overlay. This product comes in a natural color. You will get medium to large size. Fitting materials are included. It will fit securely. Make your smile more enhanced. If you have broken teeth problems, it will work correctly. Looks can be a little bit chunky. You do not need to visit any dentist. You can use this in your place. The best thing about this veneer, you can have your drink or smoke. You do not need to remove it before eating or drinking. Number 4. Ultra Thin Anterior Posterior Teeth Veneers Porcelain Teeth Veneers Health Tool. This veneer will provide you comfort. You do not need any specialist help. It is not suitable for everyday purposes. Make sure to clean your veneers day-to-day basis. Gum is included with this product. You are whitening your teeth. Protect the pulp. Number 5. Dental Temporary Crown Material for Anterior and Molar Teeth Veneers. It will play the role of aesthetics. Isolate the damage of a variety of physical and chemical stimuli on the pulp. Soft and comfortable to use, you can easily clean this veneer. Closing teeth gaps. You are whitening your teeth to prevent the shifting of prepared teeth. Asdent Cosmetic Smile Oral Teeth Veneers False Teeth Cover. This high-quality veneer is quite affordable. It has been designed for your upper layer of teeth. This is also available in a natural shade. Easy to use. Gum will be included with this product. It merely is fitting within a few minutes. It is a micro-thin polypropylene veneer. Number 7. Easy and Smile Dental Synthetic Resin Teeth Acrylic. Make your teeth naturally beautiful with this false teeth set. It has been made of high-quality poly. Make sure to remove it before having your food. The structure is good enough. It is perfect for adults. Perfect for teeth whitening. It is imported from the USA. Novelty's Company Instant Smile Veneer Set with tube and bottom set of white teeth with 2 extra thermal beads. This amazing veneer set comes in a natural shade. It is quite easy to use. It is perfect for your everyday use. Within a few minutes, it can be fitted. The best thing is you can use this almost every day for your office to a formal party. It is perfect for smaller features. Number 9. Snap-on One Set Top and Bottom Veneers Teeth. It has been intended to enhance your appearance. Place these veneers into a cup of hot water. It will make them more flexible. The material will become white when it is hardened. It will help you with your smile makeover. You can set this at your home. Perfect for everyday purpose. It will come in a natural shade. Number 10. HP95 Top and Bottom Veneers Teeth Set. Those who have a gap between teeth, it will work correctly. It will be fitted securely, cover your upper teeth. It can help you to hide your broken teeth stains. It can improve your smile. closing unwanted gaps. It has been also designed for adults. Make sure to remove it and before going to bed. This fabulous polyethylene material is a perfect alternative. A dental visit is not necessary.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.